As a graduate with a degree in civil engineering from a great university, I get asked all the time, how the heck did you get into roofing? Well, let's rewind to 2014. I had just graduated and accepted a job with a huge construction company in Washington, D.C., building out multi-million-dollar law firms. But after about 6 months, I had an itch that I couldn't shake, that I could do more, that I could learn faster, and that the world needed good contractors. So with some seed money from my parents and all of my savings, I struck out on my own. There I was at 24 years old, renovating bathrooms, kitchens, basements, and anything else that came my way, but hardly turning a dime of profit because I just didn't know enough to set proper customer expectations. Luckily, my customers loved me and the work, so the relationship survived the tough weeks and long months to follow. Around the end of 2015, a client of mine who was then an executive with BP America was about to take a 2-month business trip to the Middle East. He needed a new roof and was happy to pay me a little extra to manage the work while he was out of the country. I proceeded to call 19 different roofing companies, of which only 6 answered. 4 came out to assess the work, and only 3 actually bothered to even send me a quote. Of those 3, the prices ranged from $6,800 all the way to $21,000, with not much of an explanation for the disparity. After trying my absolute best as a contractor and an engineering graduate to understand the pricing differences, it dawned on me that this segment of the construction industry had gone awry. From that day forward, we focused all of our efforts on helping our customers with their roofing needs by being on time, using the opportunity to educate homeowners about their roofs, and delivering the best quality product for a reasonable price. And here we still are, improving every day and helping bring the roofing industry to a new standard.